What's up YouTube, back with another video. For my black cookie, the last video, the gas tank was leaking. So now it's finally not leaking. I'll show you guys. Starts up, no problem. You see under right here, this is where it was leaking on this side. Runs good. So now that that's done, we're gonna be working on my zenki that's on the lift. Dropped the whole subframe, took out the gas tank. We added GK Tech solid subframe bushings, all independent rear adjustable arms, and then we're gonna be adding a new deatchwerks fuel pump. Come check over here. We got the GK Tech solid subframe bushings, front and rear. All the arms are adjustable. The diff has a Tomei 2A in it. Very nice. And then right here is the gas tank. I cleaned it out, had a lot of varnish in it. And it was missing a connector, which I have over here. So here's the deatchwerks fuel pump. Got it from Jimmy Oaks. And this connector I got off eBay. It was already wired, pre-wired for a Walbro or a deatchwerks, but I had to chop it off because it wasn't long enough. So this is the connector that came with the deatchwerks fuel pump. And all I have to do is splice them in and then connect it. Hanger right here. So this will go connected to the top of the fuel sending unit right here, just like that. And then the fuel pump will be hanging down like this. So let's get started on wiring it in. There it is, all wired up, ready to go in. Alright, if you look in here, I don't know if you see, you can put the camera in here, inside. It's a bracket right there on the top. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it right there. That's where the hanger goes on. And then the floater right here just floats. Dad. Recording, making video. Alright.
Looking good, son. Looking good. I'm proud of you boys.
Okay, now if you look, can you get in here, Lance? I don't know if you can see it, but the bracket is on up top. Fuel pump is down there. The floater's on the right. There you go, now it's installed. Now I could throw the gas tank in. Over here, come over here. These are the straps that hold it in. You got two straps, and then the e-brake cables go under it. But first we gotta get the gas tank in. Up top, this is where it sits. And there's two 17mm bolts, one right there, and one right there. That holds the tank in with the straps. And then after that, we could throw the subframe in and finally finish the rear end. Alright, well that's it for that. The fuel pump is installed, got all new lines. In the next video, I'll record putting the gas tank in, getting the subframe in, and hopefully getting this thing off the lift. And Elias wanted to show you guys that S12 over there, the blue one.
Let's go check it out.
Flip this around on cuz. Hi, I'm Elias. These are S12s right here. This is Christian's hatch.
Got some Crown Vic wheels on it.
We got some plans for the S12s too, but for now, we're just trying to get the 240 going. And we'll get Elias's S12 going. He has the blue one over here, and he also has the red one.
Oh yes. He used to have the SR and this one back in here. Get it going again. Then I bought this S12 in Lake LA from some guy for like 300 bucks. Pretty clean chassis. All the doors, everything closed, super crispy. Five speed. Dash is cracked pretty good.
Alright.
Engine bay painted. Ready for SR or K someday. Has a sunroof. Yeah, man.
Alright guys, that's it. Next video, be installing the gas tank and the subframe.
Peace out, homies.